Welcome back. Today, we're going to spend some time noticing our thoughts. Now, find a comfortable place to sit. Just like the past few days, nothing needs to be perfect. Just a quiet enough space where you can be with yourself for a few minutes. Go ahead and sit down. Let the back soften slightly. Relax the shoulders. Rest your hands wherever they feel natural. And if you'd like, gently close your eyes. Take one slow breath in and a soft breath out. And one more breath, giving the body a little time to return to the present moment. Notice the places where the body meets the ground. The thighs, the hips, the feet. The ground is still supporting you. Today, we're paying a little more attention to thinking. Not to stop thoughts and not to analyze them. Just simply noticing that thoughts are appearing. The mind naturally works this way. The body breathes. The heart beats. And thoughts arise naturally too. All of this is completely normal. Maybe right now, the mind is thinking about what you'll do after this meditation. Tomorrow, or something that happened earlier today. And when you notice that you're thinking, just gently acknowledge it. Thinking. No need to blame yourself. No need to push the thought away. And then slowly, bring your attention back to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Sometimes thoughts appear very clearly, like a full story unfolding. And sometimes they're just brief images, small plans, memories, or vague feelings passing through. All of it is allowed to be here. You don't need to follow the thoughts, and you don't need to hold on to them either. When one thought leads to another, that's simply how the mind moves. And each time you notice that happening, you can gently remind yourself, thinking, and then return again to this moment. If sounds appear around you, or sensations arise in the body. Let them be there. They're part of this moment too. What matters is you're not trying to change anything. Not forcing the mind to become quiet. Not making thoughts disappear. Meditation is not about having no thoughts. Meditation is noticing when the mind is thinking. Breathing in and breathing out. And if there's frustration or discomfort from having many thoughts, just notice that feeling too. There's nothing you need to fix right now. We'll stay here for a few more moments with the breath and with thoughts coming and going. Now, allow your attention to widen to the whole body. From head to toe, the body is still here. The breath is still moving. And thoughts are still coming and going in their own way. There's nothing else you need to do. And whenever you feel ready, take one fresh breath in and gently breathe out. Begin to softly move the fingers and the toes. And slowly open your eyes, returning your awareness to the space around you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. And for today, this was enough. Thoughts may continue to come and go, but now you've taken a moment to notice them. Thank you for practicing with me today.